Hello there and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this beautiful Audi A5 TDI Ultra S Line Sportback. Now this vehicle has currently run 27,396 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Daytona Grey, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your LED headlights. These light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night. They ensure you can see as well as be seen. Here at the side, you do have your 18-inch alloy wheels. You have your S Line badge in there on the side, and you also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. Taking a look inside here at the rear, you do have gorgeous partial leather seats with a nice suede effect in the centre. There are ice-fix points as well, so you can easily fit a child seat into the two outer seats, so it's very easy to fit in. You can be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. There's a pull-out armrest there in the centre. And you also have rear air conditioning vents, so rear passengers here can pick their own preferred temperature and travel comfortably here at the rear. Moving around to the rear here, you have your dual exhaust there, and you have your A5 TDI badging on the tailgate. Now opening up the boot, you do have a powered tailgate that can be opened using the key fob as well, providing access to the very nice and spacious boot. You can fit a set of golf clubs in there nicely, or multiple suitcases if you're planning on heading away. There are also tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle, and there's some net storage there at the side as well. Up top you will find a button that electronically closes the tailgate, super handy when your hands are full and loading the vehicle, you don't have to struggle to shut it. Now moving around here, let's take a look inside to the front. You have your leather multifunction S branded steering wheel there, and you have your nice metal finish across the dashboard and onto the doors as well. You have your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You have your electric adjustment with this, so it's super easy to find it. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Audi A5 has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find here your electric mirror adjustments that include heating. With the heating, you can quickly defrost or demist the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. You do have full electric windows there, along with your button for your child locks, if you want to lock either side of the vehicle. You do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. You do have some steering wheel controls here. And here to the left, you have some controls for your very nice large digital display here in between the dials in the instrument cluster. It's a very nice coloured display. And you can also display a variety of different information on here as well, including your audio, phone, and a compass for the navigation. You can see your mileage and things like that on there. Behind the steering wheel, you will find your indicator stalk, and below it, you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it allows you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. There is also a speed limiter with this. You can set up a speed you don't want the vehicle to exceed. And here up top you will find your infotainment screen. It is controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You can access your radio on this. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio. And with your DAB, it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and you have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital. You have a list of stations you can scroll through and tune them in, and then also save them to memory so you don't have to scroll through the list every single time. You can see your options there for your different bands. And let's move down here. You do have your media section. Here with the media, you can connect your own source of audio using things like USB and auxiliary inputs. There's also SD as well. And you also have Bluetooth as well, so you can play your music. And with your Bluetooth, you can also safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls you may have while on the go. There is also your navigation as well, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's a very nice coloured graphic display. You have a very nice 3D effect with it as well, and you can change the view to zoom in and out using the scroller. You do have your Audi Connect here, where you can see things like weather, fuel prices, parking information, as long as you have a plan with this. You can see different options there you can access. You can also use your search to search for things. You do have your Audi smartphone interface here, which has your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which brings your phone's interface onto the infotainment screen, and it allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You You can also use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists from your phone directly in the car. You do have your Audi Drive Select with your different driving modes. You have efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual, which change how the vehicle will perform and handle, so you can enhance your driving experience. Through this menu as well, you can also access some different vehicle information. You can change vehicle settings as well, such as things like lighting. You also have your drive assist features as well. You can set up a speed warning. You also have your efficiency assist, which will make the car a bit more fuel efficient. You do have your pre-sense, which can detect potential hazards ahead, so you can be cautious of any potential collisions and emergency brake if necessary. The vehicle does come equipped with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you might be able to see. It makes parking much more easier, which is super handy with the vehicle being on the longer side. They are activated when you select reverse. Moving on below here, you do have your free zone climate control that allows the driver, passenger and rear passengers to make their own preferred temperature choices. It prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold in the vehicle. You can set the AC to on or eco. You can also change the direction of airflow here for both front passengers. You can set the rear temperature up here up front if you're a driver and you want the temperature to be specific for rear passengers. You can also sync it up as well, so it's the same all throughout the vehicle. Super straightforward to use. You have this very nice graphic display in the center, giving you all the information regarding your fan speed and the direction of airflow. You also have heated front seats as well, with three different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm and forget all about the cold outside in just a matter of minutes. Here below, you also have your start-stop on and off, along with your traction control. Moving along here, you have your center console there with your automatic gear selector. Thanks for watching this video on the Audi A5 TDI Ultra S Line Sportback. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.